Okay, you guys, here we have another review on a 2024 Harley Davidson Nightster. And I have been getting a lot of reviews and comments on making a longer video of the before and after sound when I applied the muffler from O'Reilly's on my bike. Now this is the same bike, the same engine, just that this one is stock. And I'm here at Harley Davidson Cowboy Austin. They let me borrow this bike to do the review on the before and after sound. So yeah, let's get to it. And that's how it sounds, stock. Now this bike, you can buy it in Harley Davidson Cowboy Austin. So this is how it sounds with the stock muffler. Now we're gonna go back and check how it sounds with the other muffler on my bike. And remember, you guys, you could do this with just 70 bucks. Okay, you guys, and here we have my 2024 Harley Davidson Nightster. As you can see, it's the same bike, same engine, same everything, just a few little minor details. My engine cover is gray aluminum, as you can see right here and right here. And the stock exhaust tip, back then it reached out to here. Now the O'Reilly's exhaust tip is right here. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. I like it like that. So let me give you the full sound so y'all guys get an idea of the before and after. So this is the aftermath of adding the O'Reilly's exhaust tip. It is more deeper and louder. Again, you can do this with just 70 bucks. I will put down a link down below. The exhaust tip, you can find one on Amazon for 50 bucks. And I will also put down the part number. The part number is 22362. So again, if y'all guys like this kind of videos and this kind of content, please support the channel, give it a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Thank you.